Let's keep rolling right along to Ohio here. Should be the next one. Now, Ohio is kind of an interesting case, uh, to put it politely. Uh, in February this year, 2021, the governor's office came out and said, "Oops, we undercounted COVID-19 deaths by close to 4,000 during the fourth quarter of 2021." But rather go back and fixing the 2020 numbers, they added a missing 4,000 deaths onto February 11th, 12th, and 13th. And so what we're going to do is then we're going to replace those numbers with the average number of deaths for those 3 days. Okay, so let's just fire this right up here, Buckeye Nation. Well, technically he's not lurking. So is anybody else lurking over here? I'm the only one ever seems to be lurking around here. Okay, so to date, that's not what I wanted. That was yesterday's numbers. you're, you're lurking, okay. Well, technically you're not lurking because you're actually on the channel. You're actually in the chat section, okay? But that's okay. I understand, yeah. The trouble is I need three people in the chat session at the same time over a period of. Okay. All righty. Sounds good. So anyway, here's those crazy three numbers from the governor's office. Completely divorce all the other numbers before and after it. And this is and when we replace the three numbers with, I'm not sure. Uh, that's a good question. I can't. I do remember seeing it in Nightbot. I just don't remember how I did have it set up. Okay. So this is what these numbers look like with the three average numbers. Okay. So now we can come down here. We can take a look at the daily deaths. I forgot to mention one other thing. Somewhere around April or March or April, the governor's office has started only recording COVID-19 deaths 5 days a week. Now they're still counting cases 7 days a week, but deaths only 5 day a week. If that's not enough, that's not always the same 5 days. Okay, it's not the same 5 days, but nonetheless, we just see the declining pattern up through mid-July. Then we saw a very steep increase in deaths in July, beginning in July. And I question: are these Delta variant? Were these people vaccinated? Okay, this questions that's not being asked or answered by either the press or the politicians. Okay, so now as you can see here, long declining pattern COVID-19 cases for the state of Ohio. Then again, the increase in July, but then almost as swiftly as it went up, the deaths began to really begin falling down again. Okay, this is I'm not sure what my I have no idea what my dad's actually listening to. It sounds like a bunch of meaningless tripe to me. So anyway, you can see the declining pattern of COVID-19 cases based on a something like a 14-day moving average. Okay. Okay, so that concludes the report for the Buckeye Nation for today. Okay, so that concludes the report for the great state of Ohio today. We'll see you tomorrow afternoon. We'll see you this evening, folks, at 8 p.m. Again, to the people who will watch this video this afternoon, I need your help to get to the affiliate status today. I need you to come join me on my live stream. Join me in my chat this evening on my live stream at 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Okay, we can do this. So we can beat the clock and get to affiliate status before midnight tonight. But I need you to step up to the plate. Take part. Come to the live stream this evening at 8 p.m. Take part in the chat on the session. Okay, all you gotta do is invite two of your friends, and we'll blow right past this final metric for people in the chat on streams. Okay. Okay, so that takes care of the report for today for Ohio.